This is the Trade Father along with Koki.
How's it going?
We are here to talk about the third rule in determining the trend state. Rule number three. Rule number three says to look at the third price move on the intermediate time frame.
And what is that called?
This is called the pre-anchor or the pre-move. Now, if we look at the screen, we can see the action candle is in blue. We have a top rail and a bottom rail drawn around the anchor candle, and in this case, the anchor is four red ones. All right, so if you come over here, you can see the action, the anchor, the higher low of the anchor and the lower high of the anchor as well. And then we over here. So we come here and we can now see the prior move or the pre-anchor move. Now the pre-anchor move determines if current price is moving sideways or breaking out into the trend. Now ask the following question. Without the wicks, is the pre-anchor move price engulfing or larger than the anchor move price? All right, in the picture, are the two large blue candles longer and larger than the four red candles of the anchor? Now, if you guys look at it, if the answer is yes, then the overall price move is considered sideways. Price action is trapped inside the price move, the prior move, and hasn't broken out yet. If no, then the price movement is in either an uptrend or a downtrend. Now, in this case, the pre-anchor is engulfing the anchor, so we're sideways. We have to determine if price is sideways bias up, sideways bias down, or sideways bias up confirmed, or sideways bias down confirmed. Now, when the action move is also engulfed by the pre-anchor, so what do we mean by that? You see how the live action move, the blue one, is actually between what? The highs and lows of the prior move or the pre-anchor move. It's inside the blue candle. The two blue candle moves inside the box. All right, when the action move is outside or high of the high or low of the pre-anchor, price action either sideways bias up confirmed or sideways bias down confirmed. This will be explained in more detail in the next video.
So how does this information actually help traders?
Well, if you look at the picture, we are sideways bias up, not confirmed. The blue action candle has not broken the top rail of the anchor move. All right, so if you guys were to enter, if someone were to enter a trade right now, this is a risky trade, okay, because we don't have a breakout going into the trend. So that you can make money by learning to identify when price action is sideways bias up or down. And so then this helps you measure your aggressiveness and your risk tolerance. Now, to recognize when price action is sideways bias up or confirmed would be a higher probability and a less risky trade. Now, please click on like if you learned something or subscribe if you want to see more videos. If you have any comments or questions, please email team@GrowAPairAndTrade.com.